Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be discussing if you're a creator and you're looking to diversify different ways of generating income from what you're doing. Just relying on one platform to generate almost all your income is not a great idea. I've got some great suggestions for you to diversify. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So you're a creator, and you've built a audience. Doesn't matter what the platform is. There's a number of them: YouTube, TikTok. There's a load of these type of platforms, and all of them will share income with you. And depending on how successful you're building your audience, it can be quite attractive. But there's a problem. They have made it, they offer additional methods for you to make more income. And because you're on that platform, it looks very attractive. The problem is you're relying totally on one platform. And that, in my opinion, and I'm sure you're feeling the same, isn't the greatest place to put yourself. If you fall out with that platform, they've changed their policies, they changed their attitude towards you. Could be 1,000 different things. It could put you in a difficult place. So, how do you diversify yourself and make sure that you don't get into that particular difficult place? Well, I think you start by utilizing the platform that you've built success, and you accept that it's always going to be a driver of your audience until it isn't. But you also accept that you've got to diversify. So you minimize the amount of services that you're reliant on that particular platform. I will give a clear example: YouTube. If you get to a certain audience, you can monetize your YouTube channel. They are now offering memberships, and it integrates really easily into your YouTube platform. And I totally understand why people choose that. I would advise you maybe use that as a test, but get off that as quickly as possible as well, and have your own membership through your own website offering extra membership packaging to the audience that you've built up on YouTube. Do not link your membership to YouTube. And I would say exactly the same with TikTok. It is not a great idea, folks, in the medium to long term. It is going to bite you in the backside. There's other platforms around making email more easier. Having control of your own newsletter and your own email list is really important. Substack and there's other platforms aimed at creators to make email marketing easier and to generate income seems attractive. They've got their own problems, but I'm just going to concentrate and link it to what I previously have said about YouTube or TikTok. You do not want to utilize a third-party platform to control this. You need as much control over these different elements. Another really profitable source is affiliate marketing. Sponsorships of your videos. Like I say again, affiliate marketing, mixing digital and physical products. But one of the main themes that I want to get across to you in this video is that you should be driving as much of this additional traffic to your own website. Your website should be the hub of all these extra additional activities, because, and I feel you should look at WordPress, because the combination of your own website and WordPress gives you the maximum control over these additional income possibilities for you, the creator, in 2024 coming to 2025. Now, I've written a great article. You'll find the link in the video description that goes into this in a lot more and gives you more options and more advice. So like I say, you find that in the video description. I'm going to end it now. I just wanted this video to get this thought into your mind. And it's understandable that people, because it's convenient, it's really convenient, but you must divorce, you must diversify if you're going to have a long-term income from you, the creator. Hopefully you found this video useful. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm making more of these videos every week, every month, to help you, the creator, in 205 to make a profitable business, not only for yourself, but for your family. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.